Homemade Loco Cocoa Mocha recipe. How to make delicious Loco Cocoa Mocha at home. Hey there, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and indulgent treat, Loco Cocoa Mocha. It's perfect for those days when you want a little extra something in your coffee. Let's get started. Ingredients. 1 cup of freshly brewed coffee. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons of sugar, adjust to taste. 1/2 cup of milk, any kind you prefer. Whipped cream, optional. Chocolate shavings, optional. Instructions. Begin by brewing a fresh cup of your favorite coffee. Make it nice and strong for that extra kick of flavor. Now, let's add in our cocoa powder and sugar. This will give our Loco Cocoa Mocha that rich, chocolatey sweetness we all love. Give it a good stir until everything is well combined and the cocoa powder and sugar are fully dissolved. While our coffee mixture is blending together, let's heat up our milk. You can use any kind of milk you like, dairy, almond, soy, it's up to you. Carefully pour the hot milk into the coffee mixture, stirring as you go. This will give our Loco Cocoa Mocha that creamy texture we're looking for. Now, for the finishing touch. If you're feeling extra indulgent, top your Loco Cocoa Mocha with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. And there you have it, a homemade Loco Cocoa Mocha that's sure to satisfy your chocolate cravings. Cheers! Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy brewing!
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.